Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to yet another episode of Pass and Move podcast, your number one soccer podcast in the land. As always, proudly brought to you by Ebenaya Foods. Today, the crew is complete and we're going to have an amazing show. We've got wonderful topics in store. Kuyafiwa ubuhlungu nje esiqala ngabo ezibuhlungu azipheli sithi dudu kuSimba Bora. But anyway, on my right is Crispin Machisi Toby. Our farmer is right link. Siphelele.
Yeah, siphelele.
Last week ubuhlungu nje bengabhalansanga manje.
Kade ukhulile.
Sayithi ajibona ubungeke. Uyithwala. But you see me baby.
Hayi ngiswimi namba la.
Awufaka kuhle?
Swi,
Uyiswi?
right mina.
Yangiphandla buhle. Abadala besina bahle buhle.
Babesilwa.
On your left, Junior Kanit. Izolo mzese sithi besegwadi izolo mzese sithi indebele wathwathi. Kanti usithini?
Siyasutha lapha siyasutha.
Siyasutha lapha.
Asele ibizo phela uthe indebele ubuthe indebele wathwathi.
Hayi izolo bengazinika amabizo amaningi dala mina sengigodle but izolo eyibonani. Esikhala.
So guys, let's get the show on the road. Simba Bora. Last week sasikhuluma sithi onsingizile abana bokudliwa 11. Awula team ezimba sangadliwa ngabonsingizile.
Insingizini not insingizi. Singizini.
Singizini. Singizini.
Ukhuluma ukhumbula insingizi. Into insingizi zakho zembare.
But anyway, guys, on a serious note, Simba Bora is crashed out of the CAF Champions League.
Yeah, but you know what we said last week. Simba Bora was supposed to take advantage of that first game and score more goals.
You home away from home.
Exactly, home. Because obviously, Eswatini numbers of Insingizini fans came in and they cheered their team. Team was going to have a different fight altogether because of the 12th man. So they were supposed to score maybe 2 or 3 goals, but unfortunately it didn't happen. It's football, and I wasn't surprised in a way because even league amakopora showed a very good league. Slotlama 1-0, 2-0. So yeah, it reflected on the situation we have on the ground.
Akuzange into lena ukuthi home away from home the first time participate iSimba akuzange play because I don't think they underbala experience to handle such levels of the Champions League. Ukuthi masihambile maybe ncebe behamba ukuframe ngepolokwane. It's different but ngaso kuyi Champions League is another beast. Akuzange kudlale into factor ukuthi now they are away to be.
Yeah, I mean I think yes, Champions League very inzima kakhulu. Ifuna li prepare kuhle libe kwazi ukuthi le home advantage iyabifunakala because ezongo nakade bidlala like eBotswana yabele ngila that morale support liyane to cheer you with maybe to another second goal because yona le team eSwatini aso team esingathi incane because they are used to play there. Uyabona and iSimba yona biqalisa, so I think into yona lana played a big role kakhulu for a team eSwatini yona because bathi bedliwa 1-0 ucoach wayele that belief yokuthi bengabuya home yethu thina sizakwanisa kunjani ukubadla and khanya lawo ba prepare kuhle bayenza ama analysis abo aba spot on uze beqinela bethulani because bahlohle phela ibhola selisiyaphela. Uyabona
89 minutes.
Uyabona manje ukuthi i-team insizizwe yona le. So
Ana nje ngikutshela
alidibala le.
But like
I think bona they prepared well for i-game then thina maybe sambe sisithi maybe sizakwanisa ukunjani
ukuphinda
uyabadla khona ngale kanti khona ngale plus ama-support angikhona mbona amabhasi ade bewakhiphile for ukuthi behambe kuvenue yasibonitani laba ba-serious so I think as a country lathi kumele sibone iplan sibe le home yethu kube yi-advantage for ukuthi siwine amagame ekhafu because la benzima la idlala home away
sesithembe yathu yazi bemfuthi gadget bemfuthi sile lucky in this panel because he played Champions League. He knows you understand Cape United ga yona
26
awusesemncane labana ndevunga
group stage Cape seyangena group stage
wadla bomanje
very
OTP Mazembe
nxali ingela home advantage kuba nzima because imagine mali siya kubo TP Mazembe kona ngalo kuyabe kugcwele ndile moral yabona but I think insikizile team le Swatini le isiphula umoya
so bali mina
wari ukuthi lo ingaka kanjani
wari yabe even ungakhala dala ama team asidlala lawa phambili ngale bafika bewabhula okutshengisa ukuthi lathi ibhola lethu selingani the because ungakhala iDynamos ku CAF Confederations yakhitshwa iOrapa ngayilandela i-team leyana mdala sikuma group stage eniko 6 yabona and then ucina of course ibhola li round but ucina sozuthi nxa i-team le ichaye ama Giants ethu thina ngabe yiba kade bekhona lapha kade kuyahamba njani so I think into le sihamba beyond ukuthi ama stadiums and stuff standards sesehlile and something has to be done or something has to give ukuthi sibuyele ekwesatshweni lathi mbijana ngiyakwazi into ezayenzakala ngesikhathi but kumele kwenzakala
ngicabanga something buhle isimba nxa ngikhola kuhle sidlula ama penalty kakhulu kanti Dynamos sibadla ngayo ama penalty
it indicates ukuthi i-strength sawo siku-open play not kulokuzeni kuma penalties. You know what Junior says? I was called by a friend of mine yesterday, South Africa, and he was like, are you telling me ukuthi Borade Zimbabwe has gone down to that extent of you guys being beaten by a team of Eswatini?
That's true.
Is what you guys are saying, Uti, this is how your football is gone down. And I didn't have an answer for his question. But then I recall Coach Rwanda said a different story about Zimbabwean players and Zimbabwean football. Coach Rwanda said Zimbabwe region, yes, Southern African region. Zimbabwe has best players, he has best footballers, but there's something that we are not doing right. And until we discover that something that we are not doing right, we will look like we are amateurs. But Zimbabwe has the talent.
Very true.
There's the talent in the southern region, Southern African region.
I second that point.
So we have to look at ourselves and search where we are going wrong.
But singakhangela guys, isimba sesingayisola experience abana, because I think they played 2 away. Travel to Botswana.
Ukuthi ngama champions ebhola laseZimbabwe.
Anyali ngama champions.
But really we can't say experience abala. Goalkeeper was an international player. We have ukutholezwe middle of the park yabo. Really we can't really say experience. But I would say yes, maybe away in Aliano ukuthi badlalele Botswana. And the way they traveled from Botswana to Eswatini.
Yes.
I wasn't happy. Personally, I wasn't happy with Simba Bora how they organized that trip from Botswana to Swaziland for their players, hoping for them to get there and fight. I wasn't happy. The guys left early in the morning, right? And road. And they were only given 70 rand around 1 okudla. So that on its own really umuntu usuke ekuseni kadlanga ibreakfast and then umnika 70 rand uthi ayenzeni ngayo.
Yeah, yikho kade ngifuna ukuya khona.
That's a scoop that I got when they were traveling from Botswana to Swaziland. But we just got given ama 70 rand.
Yikho kade ngifuna ukuya khona khonapho ukuthi i-Champions League is not about ukungena lidlale nje. Ukuthi igame sithi pound for pound thina sinjani. It's not about that. I think khona kwami ukutravela kwenu awu lifika ngayo liyenza njani after game lani konkwana is what matters most, because as you are saying ukuthi waphiwa 70 rand, imagine usiyangale uyadlala lo muntu okuprepare
ungadlanga ibreakfast uyathenga
anti uyabona even by road vele uyabona into zangona. So I think into yabi iaffectile ukubona belastile maybe ba concentrate 80 minutes baya lokhu ba consider nge 89 kube soku ama factors ngalana ngale yiwasiyabe senjani sesebenza, but at the end of the day thina siza uthi ibhora lethu liphansi, but okwenza libe phansi into zona lezi esincane zona lezi esingazenzi right.
I think in our football in Zimbabwe there's one thing that we don't prioritize, and it's evident ukuthi in 90% of our teams that department is not there. Mental strength yama players, mental health yama players, we don't prioritize it. That's why we don't have psychologists in our technical setups. Because if a player gets frustrated along the way like that, then it's supposed to be someone who is going to, try to manage their mental state.
Exactly.
Lack of concentration, it has everything to do with the preparation, how everything went to that day, how they got frustrated along the way.
Exactly.
So you need a professional who can deal with our players mentally. Because ibhora is not about unyawo kuphela. It starts engqondweni. Are you believing in yourself? Most stressed vele or frustrated kule nto engazange akuphatha kuhle, you can't concentrate 90 minutes.
That's the problem.
So unfortunately guys, we don't have a representative who CAF at the second round.
Yes, ngabe
platinum phela
ukungena ama group stage.
But ngabe winile vele next match enayibidlala Simba SC eTanzania.
Good right.
Ukhitshwa iSimba SC, I think kade kuyabe kungcono.
You can go kusha because
we can't say really uthele sizakhitshwa. As long as ama players prepare kuhle on time, bayafight. Look at Highlanders players, how they fought against Scotland. It was the preparation towards that game that gave them that thing to fight,
that power.
Because la bathe besuka kwakule issue yama allowance.
Ama-gates please to our viewers lingazishayi umumo okhona ubulawayo wonke namhla kala ama-gates, so sibhizi lapha ama-generators sizabe ukwenzaje ama-generator siyayisa izinto ama-generator hayiyo sithatha umakhelwane balisura kule solar company lapha esicele sesicela khona ukuthi continue ngoba singatshawa ngababukeli, please senzele ababukeli, you understand. But the unfortunate part ubuhle ubona uGanyeni sethethe se-enka ubuhle to dash somewhere, but the show had to continue, but besiqalise clean ubuhle, and it's unfortunate, but ama situations akhona isikhathi bese be appointment somewhere. This is an hour later after ama-gates ehambile samkulungisana le lokhu zeni. But anyway, let's continue with the show guys. Besaqedisa indaba yeSimba Bhora. The situations that came about ukuthi igcine isiphumile. It's unfortunate still a representative, but it is what it is. It's part of the game. Let's hope bafundile and iba baphezulu futhi kuloko, so ngayenzakala bebuyela
besinika another dimension, besinika babe sebefundile ukuthi into le ayisuye ukudlala well to win it.
So you Kanyeti next year is being what can they do to improve from the situation? Let's open the selizwe also the ground.
Indaba ye-psychology kade ikhulunywa ngobuhle yona leyana lo topi futhi ukhulume ngayo ukuthi it's not just ohamba usiyakhaba ibhora nje yikho ubona asikuthi into leyi right i-disclaimer into leyi angithi into e-right but yakunanzelela ukuthi ama-Northern African teams usually nxa kuthiwa kule team ebuye ukuzodlala ihome yabo ngale bazama umeka sure ukuthi bayabadisturb ezothiwa e-airport bathole kungela muntu kumbe uzothiwa basiyehlisele e-airport enjengokuthi maybe distance Harare sagada ibhasi sisiyabo Bulawayo yabona.
But no, those issues I may be after it took over Patrice Motsepe as the CAF president. Those situations have now reduced.
So ipoint yami sekuthini psychologically vele abantu kumele bebe right ama teams lana beyenza khona kana bakwenza because bayakwazi ukuthi once udisturb kuphele ekhanda vele i-concentration yalahleka ebhoreni even lesikhathi sokuphumula. So imagine okwenzwa ngumuntu akade kumele bekwenzela sharp ukuthi wena bekumele uvuke ekseni uchaye cereal but sokuthiwa uchaye road and then uyonikwa 70 rand. This is alleged ukukhulunywa my sister lapho but
yeah ngiyakuzwa we-psychology. It plays a big part vele ebhoreni if you are not anyway vele in life if you are not okay mentally you understand that you tend to not do well.
So maybe prepare kuhle e-ground but ama-final details on lawa ukuthi nje asimake sure ukuthi i-player right from physically to mentally.
Anyway, moving on, it is what it is, guys. It's not chaz, but still a representative as a country who CAF confident until we know what happened. So still a representative who CAF it is paid for our players. But anyway, moving on, we saw Toby. You missed out. You missed out. This is ngabe mwenze ngabe uzaxoxela but guys with the blast with a wonderful time yesterday we see cover pass and move special eGwanda sesigela ku division 1 football.
All right.
We to cover pass and move special.
I think it's Kotle Cape umesaphendwa sesikhuluma
yeah, I know,
sponsorship.
Aliana is part of the Kaslaka Premier Soccer League. Okay. Let's touch on it D1 and we finish it D1. With the time of our lives eGwanda, that town I think okwenzakala ku Gwanda Pirates is I'm lost of ways to explain but it's just wow. What was your experience guys?
Amajika iloko imphizo khona apha ngithi mina vele besentshela umezi lapho ukuthi dala mina komsebenzi lizabe selenza kuloko elingikhumbuza ukuthi dala sisemsebenzini because besenhlabela lama supporter ngigida la cause those people ngakukhulunywa ngepassion of course abanye lokho besithi lingayicompare lebhoso asicompare but sithi njenge yabona ipassion ela ama supporters awebhoso nxa team idlala yikho esikubone ngale from izingoma culture because iqale supporters hambe emagrosa dala sidinga ukudla wonke umuntu bekuyi black and white and abantu babe uyabona ukuthi into le yinto abayiwahlala esikhathi beyilungiselela ukuthi nxa kuyimali ukuthi kufunakala izimali ezingaka ukuthi igame le iphumelele singene phakathi lapha uzothiwa izimota kade kugcwele izimota uzothiwa imoto eyi-1 ibhadala imali enganani ukungena ngapha futhi bekhwezela ama-tickets abayi-$3 still akudondisanga abantu ukungena and la team yafika yadeliver futhi it was a nice thing to see.
But speaking about support to be always query episode ikhona you can check out nxa ubukelele ikhona iphazemo special bone umenzi did a wonderful job captured every moment ubona ama supporter dana abesenzani you understand mina I tend to differ with ama supporter then aba support
mina I think awe Gwanda Pirates even ibhola iqalisa even izinto phela anti yabona ukuthi ibhola ngeke lidominate the whole 90 minutes.
Yes.
Of which ngesikhathi lingadominate that's when you need to your fans more
your tough
uyabona uyabona but manje kuGwanda bahlabela liqalisa lizoliyophela whether it's 0-0 whether ama players you are not doing whether lipasani kuhle when they keep on encouraging you how to do it yabo
eBF abantu babe baningi but isupport ayisiyo
yathula ya
lokwana sokusupport sabe sibaningi
siyabe
siyebukela
siyabukela
sibaningi but nxa sikhuluma ngokusupport abantu baqala ukuhlabela ngo2
awazange bama
when Shesham was on top of Ikwanda Pirates they were singing they supporter dance you understand that support
yeah
ile ndawo iBF bengayenza njalo kanye akula team engaphuma
ephuma ya
like izindlela yabona indlela basupporta ngayo eScotland versus Ireland ngabe kwenza every day that support labana basupporta always
that's why kunzima ukuye Gwanda vele yakwazi ukuthi even ipatches le njani siye Gwanda iyafela khona
because vele bahlabele ama supporters eShasha athula ngeke ngadlula ngathi imbayika kwathiwa sizahlabela nxa sesifuna kuzange kwafika isikhathi sonesa bacile sebehlabela sebesiyaqala
labana iGwanda that doing well
but anyway we saw interesting results ku Division 1
Central Region
exactly Central Region ngoba kanye I think league yabo leyo ngane usiyincane
abadobhi finally njalo also into engithabele izolo akuyenza imsindo njengabo amanye ama league ukuthi oko Southern ngabe sokukhulunywa uThubani player of the month but I saw ukeeper weGwanda Pirates unikiwe icheck yakhe $100 uchairman ebekhona laphana lama members awe Central Region Soccer League bamnikile for goalkeeper of the month siyabachayela izandla ukuthi nawe bathwani bathoya ukugqugquzela ukubanikeza motivation but sibone a lot of twists ku Central Region from midweek to weekend nale at some point i-draw le Platinum FC under 19 iShasham yona yawina igap yangane yavuleka and then nge-weekend we saw also iShasham idliwa i-draw yona iwina ihlawina 5 vele so lapha asizaskipha nje ama-results midweek linika we-weekend iZRP Gwanda ichayiwe iWest Nicholson 1-0 and then iMSU idrawile 1-1 leShabane Mine iDulibadzimu United iyenze walkover over iDinson Vuma khanya ama walkover nje sekuma league wonke nje and then iGwanda Pirates iChapungu actually drawile leMatopo 0-0 then Gwanda Pirates yeshaya iShasham 1-0 Grand Tigers idrawile 0-0 leFC Platinum under 19 lela lamadraw
yabula
and then yadraw ihle yachaya eGem West FC 5-0 and then iBlanket Mine idliwe iGokwe North FC idliwe 2-1 and then iTongogara ibe kuBay so ilog table lethu lapha unumber 1 iShasham FC ichiya iyadraw nge2 points Shasham FC le 66 points then idraw le 64 then iGwanda Pirates le 58 iGwanda Pirates ibichiya nge11 points before idlala Shasham so iwinile sichiya nge8 so I think it's safe ukuthi singasababali njengokuthi number 3 la bale chance engane ngconyana nje ukuthi benga contender for i-title I know kuzaba nzima if aso when ngo when sesiyabe sesiguaranteed ukuthi kuzayenzakala but if amanye ama results go their way wona be winner it's good to say they are title contenders as well then ngaphansi ngale we have Bishopstone Dinson Vuma Gem West le MSU zama eziku contention ihorelegate abanye abangi title bona babangukuphuma but yeah yikho kukhona ku Central Region week 26 yeah
then Southern Region
iSouthern Region la ziyakhala nganabantu abafuni kuphumula ngapha abafuni ku print ama t-shirts bafuna printer nge last day we saw Boso 90 ivukile ichayi iVictoria Vic Force City Rentals
zonke ivukile
yamuka
guys la bathi drum
and then eBulawayo Warriors zidrawele 2-2 leBulawayo City Mbizo zidrawele 0-0 leJordan FC Talent Vision ichayi Black Rock 1-0 iGulife iGunolife idliwe iNkai 2-0 and then iWange ichaye iCashmine 2-1 iWange baphoselwa ichisela endlini iCashmine iqala ileader you know and then iZebra Revolution ichaye ikubuy iwalkover against Ajax and then iBulawayo Chiefs ichaye Mainline 3-0 la so ngama statement so ngama statement victory akusayenziwa koku you know and then ilogo lethu for iSouthern region iBulawayo Chiefs maintains top spot with 61 points iNkai United FC yalandela with 58 points iWange FC yalandela with 56 points ilandela abo Casmine labo Talent Vision and then ngaphansi we have Ajax Hotspurs Movers Nast FC iGulife leZebra Revolution izezwanga ukuphuma lezi
Ajax siyaphuma angasayibani hayi unfortunately
yena ixokozeli
it's unfortunate ayisekho vele anti asadlala wonke ama team they are being given i 3-0 scoreline 3 points
lokade ngeke ithole la yayithola khona
so anti uzabona the coming week omachisa abadlali bathatha 3 points 3 goals yabo
yeah
Toby how is the injury
sensiba sharp
hey bebekhala phela abana bebekhala ababukeli uthi what's happening Chris Gakwe but is injured
senkona sensiba sharp
so let's look at Northern region Toby Sponti
yafiwa lapho yafiwa ngale sinsilo siyona leyana emombi yaworan agamisile ama-hopes manje ama-hopes hayi
sibuya
hayi sibuya this week bekumeso ngale iChino Stars idliwe ishamba mine 1-0 Golden Eagles yayadraw ayi Golden Eagles ayifuna ukubuyela ayifuna ukungena idraw leZambezi Ali Sundowns yadliwa 5 eHarare City
na bebona le team ethi Ali Sundowns ayidliwa ku
but smart
akatshela
iBlack Mambas idraw 1-1 leKaro United iBanket yadraw 0-0 leMoza under 19 Check Pirates yawina 2-1 uCremborn Bullets Agama yawina 1-0 ungeza under 19 EFC Oden yadraw 0-0 lePemu then ithiwa yini iTrojan yabulawa 1-0 iMombe Yawora iChino Rangers yadraw 0-0 iBlack Rhinos ya manje lokhu yankhona ayafiwa iMombe Yawora 72 points 34 goals iAgama 71 points
bayafika
31 goals
akashesha
ifemera mu points
ale vele ziyi2 ale vele hayi sisegcekeni ephambanisa isihambile then iphansi la ingezanda 19 29 points ishamba mayini 30 iChino Stars 31 Ali Sundowns 31 Mozanda 19 34 points alapha sesingahamba under 19
kutrigger
kutricky na
uyacheka ukuthi iNorthern region so
kuthai
any mistake athe singadraw sugadiwe
I think 7 games to go this one is one to look out for akusafana lani lina sekungani liyakhanya ukuthi lifuna ukuvula
but la kuyafanana because that any mistake
go
yabo
but i-advantage
iyabile another chance for you to maintain
ngoba lina i-advantage yenu you can make a mistake and they've got room to mistake and ngoba lingadliwa balingana lana you understand labana ungadliwa
sesikhala vele
manje nansi yami manje hayi wena uyafika Eastern Eastern iyantaza ifuna ukuyekela so ngale is still between iyantaza le Maswingo then i-tennis la is not very far because by changing 5 points iyantaza so it's not very far so we match day 24 we saw I'll just go through our results, just a few about top teams. Maswingo, they dropped points. they were not supposed to
drop
drop ama-points, but it's football. But really rank 0-0. I think yikho bahle banika khona i-Hunters ilokhu zema. Because i-Hunters ihle yawina 7.
Hey.
Bese St. Paul. Othi kusho gane ukuthi those are statement results. Yabo? Ihle yawina 7. Then we also saw my favorite, iDeportivo. But njengoba izinjalo.
Hayi.
Njengoba izinjalo.
Ivari. Ngakwazi ukuthi i-home ground iDeportivo la Murambinda ikuyi.
No. Did you see ukuthi ku-comment section? Abantu bahlaya kakhulu. This is my team, check. And we need a 3-1. Deportivo la Murambinda. So ibi home nga.
Estadio di Mazai.
So Estadio di Mazai akuphula. Yafika iDeportivo la Murambinda idla iBuffaloes 3-1. Then iwangu Mazothe ike yaba ngumsindo sometime last year. Kusela lutho idliwe iDestiny 2-0. So ngasikhalile okutable you see ukuthi iHunters is now leading with 4 points. Imaswingo I think they've let this one slip.
hayi ilo ndoda emaswingo ile 58 ile 62.
Oh, it's now 2
It's 2
points. So
points.
the City 4 it's now 2 points. My bad.
Yeah.
It's now 2 points. But look, it's now 4 points. So it says look tight still.
Yeah, go tight.
Any slip up. So Hunters is now making a statements on it's about 7.
Pelile 41 goals lele 25.
So Hunters is really serious ngokufuna ukulokhuza. Ngokufuna ukungena. So I think that's Division 1 football for
us. Yeah.
Really interesting. Ama lokuzeni wonke Southern, Northern, Eastern.
But kule point engawatshelana ngeDivision 1 ndala. I think ingayisimenta ngokuthi ubonile even ku-Champions of Champions last season ukuthi yathathwa i-Southern Region. I think i-quality ebhora eku-Division 1 e-Southern Region ndala I think kuyafiwa.
I think you said it very well.
Sibukele ngale sithi khayela ukuthi ngapha sibukele unumber 1 lo number 3 anti. Sesikhayela ukuthi ngapha kade kuyabe kuyibulawa Chiefs lewangi. Igame akade yaphuma laphana. Amabhora labanathi ezasibulala laba.
But it wasn't paid. Ngendlela ungozo selevel selikhwezile laba. Jay, those are the coaches to look out for. Angazi ukuthi ama teams are struggling kanjani because even I team kaMatori it's not bad. You could see ukuthi yebo lingabe maybe okunye kulama factors phela ground is not you understand
ama ground level and stuff.
You understand
the type of player ababefuka idlala yabe ngasaphuma.
But I was happy to see iGwanda Pirates beliqalisa from the back.
General ilipora lakhe.
Very
Yiko kutsho
wabona general selichaya
you understand so yiko ngitsho ukuthi despite ama challenges anjalo dobani uyabona iGwanda Pirates ugore ngalibamba uyalirola thule unomfana nojecha ochawo left back lo mama team number 38
38
kuthiwa mani ibizo lakhe ukanyethi I think
ucheckele fast
Jay kulabafana balazi ibhora nje lo mfana nje enka number 4 I enjoyed football so uyabona ukuthi yiko sithi there are these young coaches who are coming up uchisa nje kani i-team yakhe seyibambile nje seyibambile that is why stadium sebesigcwala nje ba entertainer at the same time bebuya lama results
kakhulu
number 38 uRodo Mhlanga eGwanda Pirates
that guy Rodo Mhlanga is a good
lo number 8 wa Kumaki Otemu
ethi vale move lo solid in defense team lana nje is good so I think next season ungozi bengabagcina la ungozi bemgcina because
lenziwe ngayicuntanga iGwanda Pirates bengathathanga ama players lo coach next season
but I don't think uzahlala because amehlo abe
seyikhanya
because it's not easy ukungena le team evela ku division 2 ingena ku division 1 yenze njalo it's not easy so Jay division 1 football yebo i-level ngayehla compared to because the Southern mostly like I was saying Hange Bulawayo Chiefs these are teams who have been in Premier League
so
you understand so i-level vele ayelifana and ipool eningi yabafana ungachecka vele Southern region bibe bagcwele central ngabafana bakobulawayo yabo. So kulama player amaningi agcwele ema league wonke ungambi Harare awusweli.
Yeah,
Ah,
yeah.
kakhulu.
Yeah, it's true story.
So moving on to another thing that caught my eye over the weekend. Kule issue odufu ukhuluma Tobi. Did you see iCaps United singakafika ku sponsorship bebanika ama orange? But into lethi sesikhulume ngayo kakhulu.
Okuhle vele onyanyile lapha khona vele befuna ukuyi-attend indaba le.
But okayiboni wena isenzakala over and over.
No, yiko last week dala kwesinye isibhani sami ke ngakhuluma indaba amthwana ama friends labantu atwa friends of kufaka ibizo le club. Uzothiwa donated. Mbona ndala abantu ba donate izixupho lama pads, you know, to i-team eyabafazi but team enkulu elizweni.
Mina I've always said this Kanye. I don't have a problem with that.
Exactly.
If ungazokhambisa izuka. I don't have a problem with that. Because ukunika kushaka.
Kushaka.
But don't make it a spectacle, don't make it an event. Okunye kuyizi.
Yeah.
Mdala unqobuya lamasaka ama orange twinkala team engayi Caps United.
Some expose study pick.
I think kunokwana abantu phana ungatshelwa uthiwa wena somese ukhipha ukuthi sibonke ngosiphileyo.
Abantu
sometimes into zokunjani lokana abantu bakwanisa uku-afforda vele wonke umuntu njengelizwe sonke sesingakwanisa ukukhipha isaka lama orange lami yinje ngihambe ngiyoba but doesn't mean somele kube into enkulu
but laphana guys iproblem asolokhuzeni is it not the clubs abavumela or abanga understandiyo the power that they have as a brand ukuthi okunye kuyizinto okunjalo as a club sithi hayi no we accept the donation
too much
but asisa asoze siku document or siku publish to a public
too much isijida mina la into lena ngiyibona nje ukuthi umjida betha mana i-team ngamjida wami o phakathi e-teamini lapha lo mjida engimaziyo mana sibonga uvaya sethini siyofaka lapha and then efika la lama orange akhe lapha vele sevele ethola president la happy sekuqhawulana kusahlekwa lapha mdala isikhathi sokucabanga silutshwana so vele uthi alright guys asibonga uthatha alright ama picture lapha abantu sibabonisa ukuthi wena i-team yakhe ayithanda. I think isijida too much i-professionalism igcine sibancane
yebingasekho because ngeke ufayile ibhana ama players ebamba ibhana ufayile ama orange lo ngama drink ama 3 cases
uzabafakela ufuna uannounce sponsorship ye 4.3
you understand
uzabafakela uMenzisto la ebazume
uMenzi will put the picture ama viewers ayibona but I know ukuthi ama viewers ephazima babe seyibodile isho kona bakhuluma because it doesn't make sense guys into lana sesikhuluma ngayo ubuku kwenzakala kwayilento omunye wathi abadonate amanzi abantu babele ama case amanzi
orange $2.50
wathatha ama picture wafaka ku social media ngathi but guys no man
okunye siyabonga lisenzele lokhu kudlule kuphela
yenzanini backroom ndodwa singabikwazi you understand
inkinga ukuthi sifuna ukukhipha ama face phela la ukuthi sisinashi
I think that's the same issue
kwamele ukuthi into yobungani ukuthi labana
but even though ungasibungana ama fans konkani excitement phela ifan ungayenzela ungayichisi siba excited kakhulu yagcina ukwenzisa ukuthi yona uyenza into ezingayisizo uyabona because ifan yakwanisa ukuyipa wena idola kathesi yabe ufuna ukuthi yonke umuntu ebekwathi noma nginika idola uyabona so yikona njengoba usungasali control konokwana wena umuntu ethi switch thanks uyabona umuntu uyabe kuphile doesn't mean umuntu ungayipa imomele wonke umhlaba ubona
enye problem ama clubs that are accessible kakhulu mntana
it's not a bad thing can it
no
to have access to the club
kumele kube le limit dala
yes
nxa uzochiya ama orange anti akushapu uhambe office lapha uzabona uzibani ufika uchiye
yes
then nxa ku receipt or nxa kubhalwa phansi ukuthi ubani ufike wachiya fika uchiye uchaye phansi
lokhona is not a problem
yiko ukuthi kumele kusethwe up njalo uyabona akuzobukela i-training ufike uhlale la ubukela i-training laphana ungawonakala usuphonga ujamba so uthatha ama-picture uthi hani lami vele ngiyakwanisa ukungena or ngiyakwanisa ukuyathatha ama-picture lamajita no kuyadelelisa nje ama-club it's a matter of
I think the issue, I think 4 or 5 episodes back esike sakhuluma khona nge-issue ye-sponsorship esabafazi ukuthi anyone
uyaba le access yokuthi because kathesi sona sithi ungabuya la orange mina kusasa ngathi ngiyabuya le mpuphu uyabona so semele sithatha ama picture sonke kusasa sithi ngiyabuya la ma energy drink so mele ngithatha ama picture ngibuya la ma chocolate so mele so sonke sesingabuya lento eziningi uyabo
so mina lokhana azange ngulokhuze. Then there was another issue eZifa. I think Liana, I think this is big ups to
bazama laphana in layman's language xa kumpimpa bavule i-hotline dala yokuthi wena ungabona into ongayizwisisiyo iyenzwa umuntu weZifa or anyway emahofisini eZifa ungafuni ukukhuluma direct uyahamba through that line yabona so ngizaphonga udinga into leyo ngifuna ukuthi like for ukuthi abantu bebekwazi ukuthi kahle kahle sikhuluma ngani straight so lapha babhale ukuthi speak up, we are ready to listen. The Zimbabwe Football Association has launched a confidential ethics line managed by ibizo le company and as part of its drive to strengthen integrity, transparency and accountability across all levels of the game. And so why? The ethics line ensures that any misconduct, unethical behavior or breach of policy can be reported impartially and without fear of retaliation. It reinforces Zifa's commitment to safeguarding the game and protecting everyone involved. When this service is available immediately and it operates 24 hours, 7 days a week. Reports can be made securely and if desired anonymously through our toll-free lines. So all reports will be treated seriously, fairly and confidentially under a strict non-retaliation policy. Together we can build the future. We can build a culture of ethical conduct where football can thrive in an environment of trust and accountability.
Lokhana ngusupporta kakhulu to
kakhulu into right.
I always have a worry. Send report deal. Kungasayenzakali lutho.
Yikho phela nami ngikutsho ukuthi siza reporta kuzafika na.
Because I think
because obvious bonke abantu abaningi bale query ngeZifa lani the way ukuyenzakala ngakhona obvious I think very maybe sebethole maybe 2000 ama messages
khona phela read
so into eqhakathekile ukuthi bazalalela yini
yes
abantu
yiyo upheliwa
aparo kufika indawo zizafika because lo muntu o receive ama message lawa is independent from but akola muntu
independence
ebe lo mngane phakathi yathi usucebile wathi usubhalele lapha wathi uma quiz ngimbone esithi
it's subjective
ugijimele ukuthi mdala phela amajita lapha sechayelela wena
you understand so yikho uphelele but yona lokhu is idea
it's perfect
because kumeka kune transparency ukuthi we need transparency proper civil as long as besivulela la as ama stakeholders
ebhola
abantu behambisa labo after benga receive be investigate because it's important if once you receive investigate do thorough investigation then sibona ukuthi after sebenzela ama investigations wabo bathathe action once they do that I think iporale will be heading the right direction lokhana kuvela uqhathe
because you ama final details enehade sikhuluma ngawo ukuthi fine abantu baya trainer physically but ezinye izinto lebayenzela kuhle yini so I think ikhonoko ncabe kulungisisa lakho balungisisa samphatho ukuthi kwelinye ilanga mzana bezalungisa ama grounds siyabe sesiku 90% maybe into ekulungiseni izinto so yeah.
So moving on to a Premier Soccer League, the Kazlaka Premier Soccer League action that took place over the weekend. We saw some very interesting results. ayenze kwatshintshwa sibili iLokhuzeni ilog table yaba very interesting on match day 29 Saturday. We saw first game with predictions. As unfortunately top wayengekho ubuhle was here. We made ama predictions, very interesting predictions. So on Saturday we saw Ibikita Minerals taking on AFC Platinum. They played out to a goalless draw. Kube 1-1 in that particular game. I think house between mina Kanye lo buhle.
We won la place predictable. Kara ma features la kara Friday game Scotland.
Scotland yes after Friday. Scotland yathi wina 1-1. Yeah, it was Friday. Sorry. So debe sengihambe ngawo Saturday. Scotland ngathi ama games awonke sengayi Friday.
Yona
isijala screen wabengadistejwanga. Aphuma u TV ama game akho.
Labo sobafaka uadvantage vele especially iSimba Bora ile game enendi sobona sebephezulu.
Badlala bengela pressure.
So ku right kathi santi Simba Bora isichile ngayo. Isiconcentrate ngama manje.
So soza phezulu soza bamnandi. So I thank you Garnet for that reminder. iScotland idlale ngeLokhuzeni. Friday adla imanika 1-0. Then on Saturday we saw Ibikita draw the FC Platinum 1-1. Then another game engani tricky engalitshela liyala Yada versus Telwan.
Yada nje yayizamile ubamba abantu phela.
Navaya wathi no.
Yayizamile.
Hayi when agreement athi ngakhuluma ngwethe zithi iTelwan ayizozivuma. Hayi iTelwan ayizozivuma. Edithe so Navaya grabbing a brace.
Tana vaya wahlabela ingoma zenhlane yathi siyavuma baba sithi no.
He's now on 15 goals Unavaya is now on 15 goals. He's now on 15 goals. Hey kudala saqina ukuthi sifika ama goals angaka so let's hope ngafika 20
with my games asele kule possibility 5 more goals.
Ngafika 20 because kunzima uhlohla 20 is not easy.
Dala even khona se right.
I 15
last time awulenga kwaku 13 last season.
Asiyo kalinothi kanti
Linot 17
asiyo kalino 17
squad acha
Linot ngaba top goal scorer with a mere 17 goals.
Top why is it me? But I know
Maneng 17
sesibala ama games abedlalile.
But wahlohla 17 nama so iTelwan yadli yada 2-1. Then another interesting layer ngabhayizeka nganthe ingezi yabulala iRentals. They played out to a goalless draw. iRentals the Lokhuzeni bengezi. Then eGreenfield Arena madoda this game ayenzisa ubuhlungu. Ayenzisa ubuhlungu plan. iGreenfield sithi chicken in 2-1. Igame ethoyenzisa ubuhlungu because ichicken ibibambile nje ibizamile ukuyibamba iRentals. Last minute
then.
Lapse of concentration.
Try agony angazi ukuthi uhamba njani. Angazi uhamba njani echickenini but I hope akuqhubeke kunjalo because hey lapha sesiya khona or lapha sesikhona very already akusekho sharp. We can't afford to sihloko esilose ama team ku Southern region ngapha.
Yabona usulapho Ganethi. Sesikhayela indlela ilokho esime ngayo. Ukuthi it's not well.
Avela uma ngawo.
It's not well for especially ama teams ethu Southern region. Wonke wethu.
Wonke ethu.
And I wanna RS City 2 last season waphuma 3. Yabona and you understand lokho siba weaker and weaker.
Then izolo Sunday we saw bowled 3 games. Papa Fields Ndebele ZPC Kariba. They played to a 1-0 goal. 1-0 draw. What do you make of that, Toby?
Khona ngilapha emekhona bekufunakala vele PF ungaphumi ngitsho team e1. Ngoba ezithizi uma usukhayela le logo uyabusubona ukuthi phela team enkulu singahamba sakudlala yabo
And you're-
ukuthi thina ungakhangela kathesi bekuyi-advantage yabo ukuthi ngawo kuthiwa badle i-Kariba home besiya away kade behamba bezidingela i-draw bekusiba ngcono besiba safe but ate sebe-forced ukuthi betholeni
iwini lapha
away,
bakhona
which it's not easy.
And you remember what
Yes,
happened sikhuluma i-fixture in City Island yathatha 3 points ngezubuhle lo menzi bese ngathi awufaka
Ibilida phela yona futhi
iZTC
phela.
anjho yabona.
ngathi imbuza kona ngezabantu bese ngathi awufaka hayi ayile njalo
but
don't
thina
trust
sasikhayele ukuthi momentum from iwin from
Scotland yes ay ngezubeze sithi lobuhle ngapha kodwa ngapha bese
Manje
so iyalinda yadraw lekuzi lezi PC Kariba 1-1 eBaba Fields. Then another game imozi le Khwekwe
all right
enganithe but iKhwekwe izahamba le 1 and angikwazi ukuthi yini
ayikafiki one yakhona
but iKhwekwe izahamba le 1
ukhona ozakala
iKhwekwe idliwe yimozi 1-0
not.
anani lama scores ankhona la yes akusese lapha nidliwe obo4
Asebesenza something right. Even though sebephumile but kuyabe kule something esihamba sharp.
then guys game of the week then Harare Derby yazithe engichazile El Shiriko yabo yazithe engichazile ku El Shiriko yini crowd attendance
dala yokucwele
crowd attendance
Ibilana vele ayila kuthwani lo.
hayi hawa
ike yawo
Bese kuyilokhu izenini.
uTopi ezethi 15 billion kanjani
hayi hawa but what made this one interesting is the rise of Dynamos mdala i7 million is coming back iVietnam ukuthi binjani
Nabe kugcwele.
ngone umkambe esidla ikhabiji
it was packed to the rafters abe kugcwele proper iRufaro iduma and the Dynamos yathi we're taking the breaking right we're taking the breaking right
that's smart
ubone after ball
Longayenzi.
amadimbare
Longayenzi.
hayi alile mdala ihlabela
Longayenzi. Lana phela so to ama points wathi vele
mbani umnikazi uyahara yiko ufunakala
then guys I received this question in my inbox but guys besilibona ku Pass and Move lokho likhuluma ngokhaya nje saseku Island lithini khathesi
mina lami mbuzile yakhumbula mbuzo izolo mbuzile sesiphenduka lapha ngathi uKayini lokho akwenza ku Dynamos kwakuyala into ekwenze ku Highlanders
sometimes change of environment lento yawo the way yakutreatwa ngayo kuma clubs yikho kwenza wena ngapha kube ngani kunzima but uhambe kwenye kube lula into yabisenzakala
uKayini lokho ngokayini
mina i-answer I had a different answer to mbuzo I think I said 3 or 4 guys in my inbox but currently thini ngokhayini ngathi no iDynamos kade is very much motivated uKhayini uthe ehamba ku Dynamo iDynamo ibile ama problems before Khayini one uKhayini uthe ngesikhathi ahambe ngaso ku Dynamos those guys were motivated ukuthi state of mind asebenza umsebenzi kaKhayini ube easy
mina
you know why
I think futhi yena uKayini ngo olethe ipresence yona leyani yokuthi kube le something dressing room ama players la emthembe yabona uyibelief liyane ukuthi but
siyakwanisa
ukwenza like the way akhulumelayo lama players I think yebe advantage because even ngawo kuthiwa beku imotivation yale abayenze of course kuyakule izindaba zemali lani but as long kulo wrong muntu endaweni nale even kule mali you won't achieve lokho asebenza aba achieve le but i-credit ngipha ucoach Kayini ngenxa yokuthi yena uthi efika lama players ibelief baba layo ukuthi but into lesiyayikwanisa into lesiyakwanisa ukuyitshintsha because ngama same players ade khona already phela
yikho mina i-answer yami I think that's why it's relevant to this guy. Ngabe bukela ishow mina ngithi amadoda lawana imali sezibuya on time ukufika kwaKhayindu wahle wajija izinto babhadala izikwelede zabo allowance yakhwela imali sezibuya on time bakwazi ukuthi singawina madoda vele siswi and iclub lesingayisurvive siba ama legends in as much as uKhayindu la sizamkhayela otherwise, but even kuhambe any other coach mina I think environment eDynamo sibiza khayela even isho okhuluma ngayo machisa ukubisa ukwaDenver Mkambo umuntu okwazi environment khayela uhappy njani khayela ukuthi into ezenzakala in and around yena la ukuthi because even imali abasaniki yena yedwa nje yakhumbula chafa asabona uGorelwana iDynamo bemshayile ngemali sokufiwa
equmbile la
iDynamo environment abakiyo khathesi any coach would have succeeded,
but manje kunzima khona okumdala ukuthi sithi any coach could have succeeded because also it's not about into ezenzakala phandle kakhulu lama tactics awukhuluma lo Denver awumotivate ukumtshela ukuthi efike enze so eground any muntu ngeke ephonga ukwenza khona because kuyabe sokufunakala umuntu, that's why bona babona kungcono ukuthi but uKhayindu umuntu osongakwanisa kunjani ukutshintsha into ekhona la because ngaka kuthiwa kwaku easy wayebona ukuthi alright yena lo kade ekhona alright ka continue sesimtshela kade ukuthi sesimnika imali sesimnika uyabona
because uchamina ku-environment engayenza
because even ngiyatsho nje ukuthi usolu bayakwanisa ukuthi usolu bethi yorekare usukhala ngani sesikunike yonke but base bebonile ukuthi lapha sokukubi ngcono silethe umuntu ongani experience ongakwanisa ukumotivate i-situation kuyafana even uKhayindu ku-Highland wayengekho that bad phela ukuthi la kulokho wayeme endaweni engayisiyo uyabona but konkwani ukuthi at the end of the day uyakuzama ngesquad siyabe singekho that much uyabo
amadoda khanyela ngokusoul understand izinto vele ngongasayenzi you need to change kube umunye umuntu obuya le fresh breath of air. Mina ngithi whoever they could have brought because ungacheka before uKhayindu eqalisa umsebenzi kwakungugitiza lo they won games 2 games so uyabona into engikhuluma ukuthi theory yami yespan
yasebenza
they won games uKhayindu akaqalisa umsebenzi so yes uKhayindu is a good motivator and all but environment that was created ku Dynamos yes uLeon ukuthi guys imali sikhona yonke into sikhona, let's take this club to another height. So whoever could owayengabuya engene kuqalo zika Chamunuka guys iDynamos environment umsebenzi awuso done
awengekho easy
mina ngeke ngothemba
yathi mina ekwepe ngiyala ngani because kunzima wena ukuthi ulama players maybe afika 25 lana you have to choose level uzinika ama tactics right uba motivate because yabona iDynamos big team mdalawo awuphonga ukuthi ungaba le mali wena mind mentally ususharp wena uzangena eground yenze so
it's a big club
uyabona so I think khona ukuthi coach la ama tactics akhe how to win games lana lenze the believe uyabona it takes a lot
lapha Dobeza ukujazi kuyina nje ku league sile system yokuthi yabona uChamino Kesekhwekho Donso oMasimba Mambare lapha uthi thina sabe sisola but uzezwa ama theory ukuthi omember lawana yabathatha because ngala kula mali but uyakwazi ukuthi kungawoma omember laba babamncedisa ukuthi communicate with the rest of the team but nxa ungafika kade eseDynamos sokule mali anti you know ukuthi wena wakho umsebenzi waseseyikudinga umuntu ozakuncedisa wona wakho umsebenzi okuyikucoacha kuphela yiko sokuthi ukuthi kabe sokulula nxa wehluleka so sesibona wena nguyidanda manje
kunzima antshela manga kunzima even kule mali because it's not about imali, it's about ama leaders eground of which ngakuthiwa yonke into easy ngama team onke le mali vele a cruiser uyabona but konke umele ube lama leaders phandle ube le leaders engcoach ube le leader eground uyabona
itheory yakho Tobi singasipana because akutsho yena okwenzakala kundira eGame Island
alright
with imali khona,
ama-players
i-cream yonke,
yenye good example.
Lama-plane tickets.
Even
ngiyakuzwa.
ulayo wena imali yonke but as long wena
Ngiyakuzwa.
ungakwanisi ukusebenzisa to
ngiyakuzwa.
ama-players akho uyastruggle vele
hayi,
uyastruggle
ngiyamuzwa.
look at even i-Sundowns udalile mali but bathatha umuntu oright okwanisa ukumotivate umuntu okwanisa ukuthi uza-stamp i-authority endaweni enje so because kulamanye ama-players ungaba le mali ngiyakwanisa urelax singawina one game imali yani yangisustain lithi next week iyastroy
ngiyamuzwa. He's making a lot of
so mina I
sense.
think uKayindo has done a great job.
He's making a lot of sense.
Because it's not easy vele.
He's making a lot of sense.
Wesinge same players thina sasikhala ngawo ukuthi ayenzi
Yeah.
but he's getting results ngawo why how uyabona
But i-edition yabothumi labana because bathi amagananians
ngeyinye yaba right
ngeyinye booster futhi
moral
lokubuya but the biggest boost kungena kaDemba. Whoever signed to Demba Mkapa. Hayi did a great. Let's look at the log table, gents. Looking at the log table. Phezulu eScotland is single number 1. But iSimba Bora ile game inengi. It's 56 and 55 points.
akafiwa ngapha imozi antu ayibona ukuthi yenza
Sinyenya.
yanyenya
Moses is now on 52 points. Iform yakho siphendukile.
exactly
Sebeqalisile ukudobha.
ipatch liyana ya
Ngani sebe uLloyd Mtasa sevadini.
but they did a good job.
So it's can we safely say it's a 2-horse or is Moses coming back to the fold again?
but ungakhanyela mdala even ingezi ikhona phela
Because it's now on 5th. 6 points away.
uyabona ukuthi any drop up la labo lokho benjani so kusafiwa la
We're 5 games away.
Dala.
So top of the table is now interesting.
It's
We're
now
now
interesting.
bringing in Moses the Lengezi. So it's now battle of the 4 teams. So I want the top of the table is now interesting.
Ziyakhala,
It's no longer a 2-horse.
hayi
Azaprintwa ngelast day ama-t-shirt.
But
ziyakhala.
my favorite, the relegation page. Ale mbonani yomle ngincanya kanye thi from Islanders lokho isicontinue Islanders is still swamped in khona pa iCaribe ngani iyabaleka but I think from Islanders to ayadala ngani sikhona
but I think from zikari sesikubala iDynamo iGreenfield uCity ayadala
So-
maybe but so kunzima
iyadala because looking at 35 games
yeah
so ungachecka Islander on 34 points number 9 Chicken Inn number 10 33 then uye ku number 16 why say zikho that's why sengikuthi yard uye ku number 16 iGreenfield 31 points zonke lezi yakwanisa ukukhavana at some point
one game edliwa one game yayehla
so we can safely say sesidinga 2 teams eziyajoin iyada le quick between lezi ezinye can we safely say
but you can't say safely ngoba
Yeah,
isasele chance la ku 5 games
Yeah.
ingawina la i5 games zayo
Those 5 games
chance.
i-15.
15 points
uyabo
Unga-eda ku-29 ngo-44.
anti uyabona isasele
Yabe siphezulu le kulabo i-Rentals ku-number 7.
anti uyabona ngayiwini
ngayawina.
so la isasekhona
good tricky guys. Okay, right guys, let's look at the fixtures for the coming week. Match day 30. Uqalisa nge-Chicken Inn le Scotland eBF ngo-3 nge-Friday. Why into le Scotland ama-Friday le? Kumele sike siyikhangele.
Kukhona kumele besichasisela.
Kukhona kumele besitshele.
Kukhona kuphekwayo somewhere.
Kanye uyibona njani?
It's a tricky one. Kube ne-tricky ku-tricky sibili because iScotland la ngama-on and off. I-Chicken Inn la ziyayikhalela but I think i-Chicken Inn ize nje izaqinele kuthini yona ifuna ukusurvive more than anything. Ayi-draw.
I don't see Chicken Inn getting anything from this one. To be honest with you guys, I wish, but I don't see Chicken Inn getting anything from this one. To be
but I mean I think it draw
draw.
I think it draw
I see a Scotland win without pressure on a Friday. Foot PF.
Ayi-draw.
And I think Scotland will take this one. Then Saturday we've got Ted One taking on quick Ascot.
Chewa.
Tell one.
Yeah, lapha sisonke la. I see you ngahamba le quick.
Yeah, I see.
Mo's Greenfield engoni.
Ash, a draw.
Yeah, it rolled my goals. 1-1.
Mina considering look the form Mo's lama points Mo's ngani athatha, I think I'll give it to Mo's. Manika versus Triangle Sakuva.
Trying.
Ash, I'm not seeing a draw.
Yeah, I would rather go for a draw for this one.
That man a bit different. I try him.
Then Simba Capes. Why not? What's an eye?
I'm for me the games, and Simba straight.
Yeah, plus what's an eye very awesome.
Simba
Don't forget
straight.
it's Simba that very good lose.
But
Tala isikhuluma what's an eye ngesikhathi lezi. Ngesikhathi lezi sesikuzo lezi. Ama end of times.
Mina I
keeps
would
you
like to go for a
open.
draw. I think it keeps in a Tory draw.
I'll give it to Singapore.
Dynamo Singers.
Dynamo is straight.
Draw.
Dynamo is straight. Yeah.
Dynamo is a evil idliwa. Dynamo is
Dynamo so plus draw, but
and the lento lena sayikhuluma ukuthi Dynamo sile advantage yokuthi ama game onganga. Amaningi. So Dynamo singathatha. Then ZPC Kariba Pikita eNyamunga.
We'll see a draw.
I draw it.
Platinum Yata
Platinum.
eMandaba.
Platinum.
Namboni draw.
Hayi Platinum yakuchalo.
Namboni.
Ithi esengibhabhayisile mina Yata. Nah, sengibhabhayisile. Then Sunday we've got one game here Rangers the Islanders eRufaro.
Rangers plus draw.
Islanders as ngathola nzima upredict i-team uzonye but I double chance Rangers la.
Benza hat-trick.
Star boy. Star boy.
So yeah, that's the fixtures for match day 30. Anything else singabe siyishile gents?
Nah.
No. I think it's isikhathi okwenzakale this week asizamile ukucover.
Sizamile. So I think that's it for this week's episode. Toby.
Aye.
Good luck. This week I was there. Junior Kanye. It's unfortunate to be to dash somewhere, but I think we'll try to do justice to this episode. Anyway, guys, let's engage in the comment section if ever there's anything. Guys, kulama comments that are as
I'm
singayela ukhuluma ngabo oJob wathi never semphayizi kulotsho umuntu umpumi something mpumi o lo munye osibiza wenjube we have to talk to Ibhena bemezele something. Let me just check ngene nje ku comment section for a few episodes our last week before we close. Mfuna check amabiza. Yeah, is the same guy. Mpume Njube. I think uchombe omele simeze. Mpume, if local, please hit us up, guy. I think we have to talk to Ibhena when something. Yeah, this is what we like, guys. People who engage with us in the comment section, basically, I think he's been consistent is for the longest of time. Yeah.
Kulomunye wathi kumele sikubize Junior Kanye la.
Obizuba Junior Kanye.
Thomas bize wena uthi Junior Kanye la. Bala iba sibonge.
Ayikho Junior Kanye.
Bana ngiba. Ngokile bone jokiwe.
Yeah, I think I've seen the guy.
Sibonge Mr. Hadebe in your team. I think we must call him Junior Kanye. This guy, he knows football.
I think Ukilela he's been. Yeah. Please, guys, engage with us in the comment section. Service Kanye. But Kanye Jimela Pendu. The matches. You guys are the Pendu. The comment section. Uwanele uyazama ukuphendula on behalf of it. You guys are the Pendu. Please make sure you engage with our viewers. Guys, siyabonga kakhulu. We don't take you for granted. We do this because we've got the passion and we want to grow Ibhora Lethu eZimbabwe. Until next time, guys.